Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can play Instagram Reels in 3 times speed. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. And from here, we can tap on the plus icon on the middle at the bottom part here. And we can go to Reel. And from here, in this side here, you can see that there is actually speed in here. So if we tap on this one, we can see that we can actually speed up things by 3 times, by zero point 0.3, zero point 0.5, or 2 times. So if you want to speed up your reel, you can tap on 3 times or whichever speed you would like. So that is how you can speed up your reels on Instagram. However, if you are watching a reel, there is no possible way to make it faster 3 times. You can only speed up your own reels. Okay, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.